Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go through all of the newer free assembly, Scoop, and Sofia Vergara. And if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. Seeing new cardigans from Free Assembly. It has that higher neckline, the rounded buttons, two front pockets relax through the wrist. We saw this one in the solid white. Now it comes in the black and white stripe, also in the red, and these will be linked down below. New striped dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the thinner straps, that square neckline, seam detail. It's a flowy skirt with the smocking in the back. And this one is regularly $34. The first thing I'm seeing are these denim jackets from Scoop. It has that mid-size collar, it's a zip, the two flat pockets, drop sleeve, relax through the wrists. It's lined on the inside. It is a shorter boxy fit. This is the 2XL. There's the extra small. And then it has that same kind of fit through the back. They are going to be $28. High neck tops from Sofia Vergara. So these are a double kind of stretchy material. They're sleeveless, fitted through the body, really good length to the front and the back. Comes in the black, also in white, and they're going to be $10. Also new dolman tee from Scoop. So these have that higher neckline. It has that banded side, also the ruching on the side, and it scoops in the middle. The back has that same kind of fit. These are really stretchy in the white, and they're going to be $18. New sleeveless sweater dresses from Free Assembly. So they have that higher neckline. They're sleeveless, fitted through the body. It's a midi length, that same kind of fit through the back. And then the white trim detailing at the top, and then also on the sides in the green and white, also in black and white, and they are going to be $30. Wash in the Sofia jeans. So how cute are these? It's a thicker denim. You guys know I love the Melissa Flare. They're high rise. They have just a little bit of whiskering. The finished bottom in this new light chambray. It's perfect for summer if you don't like wearing shorts. I think that's it. And these are going to be $24. Top-on tops from Free Assemblies have the elastic around the neckline. There is this ruche detailing. It's a balloon sleeve with the smocking, and then it's a relaxed fit with the little slits in the side and then a keyhole in the back. This one is going to be $20. High neck top we saw earlier also comes in this black and white polka dot, and it's also $20. Dot dress from Free Assembly. This one has that elastic around the neckline. It's stretchy, and then the smock sleeve. The material is a poplin. It's flowy with the drop tier, and then the keyhole in the back. And these are going to be $28. Free Assembly. It has that smaller collar lapel, completely lined on the inside with the tortoise button. The material is that linen blend, and then it does have a little bit of a shoulder pad. It's relaxed through the wrist. Has that seam detailing in the back. Comes in the black, also in the ivory. These match back to the high-rise trousers that I showed last week, and they're going to be $39. Balloon sleeve top from Free Assembly. This one has the little tie. It has the oversized puff sleeve with this really pretty eyelet detail. Peplum at the bottom, that same eyelet trim, and then it's smocked in the back. They are $26. Also do the blazer with these linen blend pants from Free Assembly. These are a high rise. They're pleated side pocket. I do have these. They run very long, so if you don't want to get them hemmed or you don't want to wear heels, I'm a little over 5'6", and they're pretty long on me, but they're really nice quality for the price. And they are $26, and they also come in black, and then they also have the linen button down shirt. This is an oversized fit. Has the smaller collar, full button down with the pocket button on the wrist. Also has that seam detailing, and I don't think this comes in the black. I'm not 100%, but they're $22. I have these new puff sleeve sweaters. So these have that square neckline, the little shoulder detail. It's ribbed at the bottom, fitted through the front and the back. In the pink, also comes in white, and they are $13.50. Sofia Vergara also has that asymmetrical bottom. So this one has the thicker strap, squared neckline. It is completely lined, has the ruching on the side. You could see it comes up, and then it's squared in the back. In the giraffe print, also comes in red and black, and they are $20. New tie front tops from Sofia Vergara. So these are a linen material. They match back to the shorts. We saw those previously. These have that smaller collar, full button. Ties in the front. You do have to tie it or you could tuck it in. Button detail on the wrist. And then that seam detailing on the sides and the back. So you can see it kind of like pulls in. They are going to be $22. It comes in the palm print, and then they also have it in the white. Two coated flares from Sofia Vergara. So these are a high rise. They're the Melissa cut. So they have the flare at the bottom. These are nice and stretchy, and they are $29.50. Also new cargo pant from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband. It's a twill material. That side pocket with the jogger, or you could do a straight leg bottom. There is that sateen look. And then the back has the flat pockets. So parachute jogger, ankle length. And it comes in the camel, also in that olive. And they're $22. Also new from Celebrity Pink are these parachute wide leg pants. So these have the heart button, drawstring at the waist, side pocket with the flat pocket. You could do jogger or straight leg or wide leg. And then they have the pockets in the back. And the green with the gold hardware. And then they also have this camel color with the silver. And they're $21.50. So have these new button down tops from Free Assembly. So it has that ruffled neckline, full button down the flutter sleeve. This is the extra small, so it is more of a boxy fit, but still good length. With the seam detailing in the back. And the white poplin also comes in this darker denim. And they are going to be $22. So that is this new puff sleeve tee from Free Assembly. It has that higher neckline. This is a poplin material with the embroidering. The t-shirt material through the body. It's stretchy with good length in the green. Also comes in solid white. And they are going to be $14. Blouses from Sofia Vergara. So this one has that wrap style front, elastic on the wrist. It's a relaxed fit. I guess they're getting ready for fall with the smocking in the back. In this brown floral, also comes in the solid black. And they are $24. Off the shoulder tops from Sofia Vergara. So these have the elastic with the tier, long sleeve with the elastic wrist, elastic through the waist. We saw this one last week. So this one's a little different. And it says 2 ways to wear, and these are going to be $24. Also a new faux leather pant from Sofia Vergara. So these are the Eden 90 Street, and they're $27.50. Cardigans from Celebrity Pink. So these have that scoop neckline, the ivory cut, the same colored buttons. It's fitted through the wrist, shorter through the front. This is the 3XL. There's the extra small. This is more of like an ivory off-white. These are $15.50. Also new puff sleeve sweater from Celebrity Pink. So this has that square neckline, the puff sleeve with the ribbing, fitted through the body. Same kind of fit through the back. And these are $13.50. Also new cargo pants from Celebrity Pink. These have the smaller waist, has that pork chop style pocket, also the zippered pocket, and pockets on the back. I love the little heart button, and they're going to be $19.50. In the linen material are these button down dresses from Free Assembly. So it has a smaller collar, full button down, puff sleeve, elastic through the back with the belt. These are $34, and it also comes in green. Noticing more than ever this summer that there's a lot of like sweater tanks and shorts and just like pieces in general. So this is from Free Assembly. It has that higher neckline, sleeveless, has the ribbed bottom with the keyhole in the back. Comes in the black and white stripe, also in the solid white, and they're $20. Cardigan from Free Assembly. So this has the scallop trim, the gold buttons, 2 pockets, the scallop little wrist, and then that seam fit through the back. I know they have this one in white online. I used it for my last capsule wardrobe, and they're $26. Ruffled top from Free Assembly. So this one has that ruffled neckline, full functioning buttons, the double tier, seam detailing through the front. It's a lightweight poplin, and then that ruffled trim does go around the back and around the neck. This one comes in the white and they're going to be $20. In the free assembly seersucker blazer, and then also the matching shorts. How adorable. It has a smaller collar, lapel, tortoise button, and it's completely lined on the inside. We saw this in the light blue. They also have some linen options, and then the matching shorts have the tortoise button, side pocket, belt loops, and then the trouser pockets in the back. Also comes in the blue just like the blazer, and then the linen in the black and white. $18. So I have a new color in the Marisol boot cut with the cargo pocket. So these are a mid-rise. They have the seam detailing, flat pocket, the boot cut bottom, and then pockets on the back. And we saw them, I think they were in like a mid-tone wash, and they're going to be $24.50. They also have these new linen shorts that match back to the blazers from Free Assembly. So these have that tortoise button, zipper, side pocket. It's a shorter short with trouser style pockets in the back. In the ivory also comes in the black. And they are cowl neck camis from Scoop. So these have the thin strap, the cowl neckline. It's a relaxed fit through the front, squared in the back, and they're $19. $18. Also have it in a dress option. So this one has the thin strap, that same cowl neckline. It does have a little bit of ruching. It's in asymmetrical bottom and then squared in the back. $25. Restock the scuba pieces from Scoop. So if you're interested, these are so soft. They have that V neckline with the ribbing, drop sleeve, oversized ribbed wrist, the ribbed bottom. These are going to be $22. New strapless top from Scoop. So this is a linen texture. It has the sticky elastic on the inside. Also has that side zipper. It's a little bit of a relaxed fit. And then the same through the back. It also has the removable straps, and they're $22. Also from Scoop is this Dolman polo sweater. So it's more of a boxy fit. It has the ribbed collar, that seam fit through the back. And those are $24. New dress from Sofia Vergara. So this one has the plunging V neckline, the little cutout, elastic on the wrist, flowy with the drop tier, and then that seam fit through the back. And this one is going to be $34. Sneak peek halter neck linen dress from Free Assembly. So this one has the ruching with this little cutout detail. It's sleeveless, has that band at the waist, flowy skirt, and then smocked in the back. And this one is going to be $36. Also brought back these little shift dresses from Free Assembly. So these were a huge hit last year. They had them in a color block option. Now they only brought them back in the solids, but they have that higher neckline. It's sleeveless, has that wider band. It's fitted through the body. These are more of a relaxed fit. So if you want it to be fitted, then you could size down. They're $22. The Pawnee knit material, so it's really comfortable. Another one you can dress up or down. Comes in the black, also in the orange, and they're $22. Also new side cutout dress from Scoop. So we saw this in the top option. It has that higher neckline, the gathered detail on the sleeve, the elastic, and then it kind of flows out. These are $32. It also has that zipper in the back. New denim dresses from Celebrity Pink. I'm also seeing a new romper. So this one has that smaller collar, full button, has the little puff sleeve, the two flat pockets, that same fit through the back. In the ivory denim, also comes in that light chambray, and they're $24.50. New relaxed fit V-neck tees from Free Assembly. So these are a soft, stretchy material. They have the V neckline, relaxed fit. This is the extra small in the black, and then this is the 2XL. And they're $9 in the white and black. So restock the higher neck boxy option. So these are a flowy fit. They have the drop sleeve, same fit through the back in the black, and then they also have them in white, and those are also $9. Ruffled top from Free Assembly. So this one has that ruffled neckline, full functioning buttons, the double tier, seam detailing through the front. It's a lightweight poplin, and then that ruffled trim does go around the back and around the neck. This one comes in the white, and they're going to be $20. In the puff sleeve sweater from Free Assembly. So these have that higher neckline, the little shoulder detail, short sleeve, full button down with that ribbed bottom. We saw the ivory. Now it comes in this red And we also saw the navy. So new color is going to be red, and they're $22. Then sneak peek dress from Scoop. This one has the thicker strap. The plunging V neckline has that asymmetrical seam detailing. It's a flowy skirt. And then it also has the V in the back, and these are $34. So new color in this tier dress from Free Assembly. So it has the elastic strap, square neckline, seam detailing, tiers all the way down, nice and flowy, with the smocking in the back. And they're going to be $32. Comes in the green. They also have the blue, and I'm pretty sure it also comes in white. New, like pleated, flowy short from Free Assembly. So these have that higher rise. They have the side button with the zipper, this pleated detailing with the side pocket. It's what the material looks like up close, and they do like flow out more to the side. Kind of gives it like a skirt look with the trouser style pockets in the back. In the white also comes in navy, and they're $20. Color in this slip dress from Free Assembly. So it has that higher neckline, sleeveless. I did show this one in the shop with me. It has that seam detail, and they are, I think they're online only. So I usually combine them because they're very similar. The only difference is the hourglass has a little bit bigger bust, but pretty much the pieces will work with both. So the Free Assembly dress has that ruffled neckline, little fluttered sleeve, buttons all the way down. It's a nice flowy skirt, pulls in the waist with the belt, and then it does have that same fit through the back. So these are regularly $32. It comes in the white and then also in that blue and white stripe. Also came out with a new pant option in those colors. So these look like they're I think they're a mid-rise. Mid-rise, they have the tortoise button, the side pocket. It looks like they're a little bit of a tapered leg. And then they have the trouser style pockets in the back in both the navy and white. And those are $26. Ribbed cutout dresses from Madden NYC. So this one has the thicker strap, that plunging V, this circle cut out on the side. It's a midi length. I love this orange. So fun for summer. And then they also have black. And these are $15. Another huge trend right now is off the shoulder. So this dress is from Sofia Vergara. It has the elastic, the tiers, elastic on the waist, a nice flowy skirt, and then it's the same fit through the back. This one comes in this orangey, kind of like neon palm leaf print, also the orchid colored palm leaf, and then it also comes in solid black. So if you don't like a print, and they're going to be $26. And if you don't like it off the shoulder, you also can wear it on. And the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.